बाजवा की पाकिस्तान के हवाले से विजन क्या है, वो किस तरह का पाकिस्तान देखना चाहते हैं, और ये बात भी खुद जनरल बाजवा अपने ही अल्फाज में बता चुके हैं। आइए देखते हैं।
We are passing through very difficult times. Pakistan was not like this. Let me share with you my experience. I was born in 1959. I have seen the heydays of Pakistan. Let me share few things with you. In 1962, PIA was the best airline in the world. PIA and Japan Airline were the two airlines in entire Asia flying a jet engine aircraft, 707. India, Taiwan, Singapore, they were all flying Dakotas. In 1964, we had our television. India got it in 78, 64. In 64, we had the electric train flying from Lahore to Sahiwal. I have seen Pakistan heydays. You had the cinema halls full, you had mosques full as well. Best of the movies would be shown over here. You know, the Beatles, they came to Karachi, they landed at Karachi. Jacqueline Kennedy traveled on PIA. President Lyndon B. Johnson came to Karachi on PIA. So that was the standard of this country.
I must say, I'm profoundly impressed by the reverence which you in Pakistan have for your art and for your culture, and for the use which you make of it now. My own countrymen, too, have a pride in their tradition. So I think, as I stand in these gardens, which were built long before my country was born, but that's one more thing that binds us together, and which always will. I had always heard of Pakistan's proverbial hospitality, and it was even more than I had expected. I hope that with my husband, I will be able to return again soon to this vital and beautiful country.
एक पुरअमन तरक्की याफ्ता पाकिस्तान का ख्वाब हकीकत में बदलने के लिए जनरल बाजवा कोशां हैं, और आलमी सतह पर भी पाकिस्तान का मुकदमा कुछ इस तरह लड़ा।
When I was young, Pakistan was a normal country as any other country in the world. Jacqueline Kennedy flew to Karachi. The Beatles visited us. Queen Elizabeth went to the Khyber Pass to chat with the tribesmen. We were a favorite tourism destination for many. We were hosting World Cups of hockey and cricket, besides many other multinational events. World Bank termed Pakistan in 1963 as one of the most progressive and dynamic developing country in Asia.
जी नाज़रीन, इस तरह का पाकिस्तान जिन कमर बाजवा साहब चाहते हैं, पाकिस्तान की जो लॉस्ट ग्लोरी है उसे रिस्टोर करना चाहते हैं। और वजीर आजम इमरान खान साहब की भी विजन यही है, चाहे वो टूरिज्म के हवाले से हो, चाहे PIA की रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग के हवाले से हो, चाहे आलमी दुनिया में पाकिस्तान का वकार बहाल करने के हवाले से जो वजीर आजम साहब इकदाम ले रहे हैं उसमें और जनरल कमर बाजवा की विजन में बहुत ज्यादा सिमिलैरिटी। और शायद यही वजह थी कि आज वजीर आजम ने यह फैसला किया कि दोबारा से 3 साल के